because nobody else can compare to me. I mean, hey guys, I'm getting ready for work, so I decided to record this video of me doing my makeup. I'm currently, right now, it is 1:37 and I work at 3. So I might be maybe rushing it, but I just wanted to come in here and chit chat with you guys. Where have I been at? I've been super busy with work, drama, work, drama. I have this really bad pimple right here. Not drama, like it's always like 6 feet. I mean, 2 steps forward and 6 steps back. I'm gonna do my makeup very simple, so I'm gonna do it the usual, like, basic ones. My husband bought me this really good double, let's see, subject. It says subject. This one, it's a 2, so this one's skinnier and this one's a more fatter. But I don't know if you guys seen that viral TikTok with that girl's doing like these bushy eyebrows, and my god, like the way that she does that, I don't know. That's why I can't do bushy eyebrows. Like, I tried it, it's not my thing. I'm more of a blocky kind of girl, so it's block. And yeah, I just can't do that style. I just don't know why. Like, I think I'm more of a soft, a harder, it's so hard to do my makeup and have a conversation. I'm also shaky. I drank like 2 coffees today and I've been hella busy. Let's see if you guys see me. Yeah, you see me. And I bought this. Oh my god, this mirror. It's the shit. It is the shit. Oh, I bought this mirror. I just received it. Thank God. I ordered it at my mom's place. I had it shipped over there. Cause here where I live at, sometimes I get scared that people may check my stuff. I don't know, it's just kind of scary. Also, like my Amazon packages, thank God I live close to an Amazon Fresh, so I order anything and then they ship it there, so I just go whenever I got time and pick it up. It's super easy because it's trustworthy to have my packages there and not worry about did it make it to the house, and then I'll have to text my husband and be like, can you check, you know, it's kind of annoying, it's a drag. Right now I'm just going to do my eyebrows and then start getting ready. I switched schedules today's Sunday. Well, not switched, it's just that, again, work, we don't have enough employees to be like, hey, can you switch with me? Yeah, sure. No, it's like we have to ask someone if we could get the day off or whatnot. So it's annoying because that's not my responsibility, because I just work at a certain time. And if I even ask for days off, it's like, but okay, I'll give you these days off, but can you do this? And I'm like, yeah, it sucks. I mean, it has its perks. I know that, you know, I work there, which everybody knows me and knows that I work hard. I come in, do my shit, get out, you know? I'm not there to take too long for stuff to happen. So yeah, it's a little tough. It's tough too because we don't have that much people. Let me move my hair because I feel like my hair is pushing my. So this is my eyebrows right now. I'm going to cut them. That's the word. I'm about to clean them up. So I want to order more of these P. Louise. This one is a 2.5. This is the one that I've been using it like day and night. I usually put a little bit on my hand. This one I use on my lids because any product that I do put, it's like buttery and makes it so nice. I don't know how to call it. I've been busy. I've just been doing my things, trying to adjust to work. Let me turn on the AC. At my face. Anyways, but I'm drinking right now. I was bad but good at the same time. I was bad ordering my food because it's Jack and a crack. But I was good in the sense that I ate something, because if not, I would have come home and I would not have nothing to eat. And then for me to go to work with no food, I don't think I'm probably gonna take a break. I don't want to take a break. I don't want to, but we'll see. Sorry, it's just that, you know, if you know, you know, sometimes the eyebrows are my shit. So yeah, I don't know if I work tomorrow. Not sure at all. Like, I have no idea. It feels so weird putting on makeup right now. I've never taken a shower. Hold on. I've never taken a shower where I have to get ready. Like, I think the only time, I think I probably did it like 2-3 times ago. Like, no, not even. I think one time. I think one time I've only done that. I don't know why. I just hate taking showers when, like, I feel like when you take a shower, it's for you to, you have your body to chill, like relax and not do much, right? And it's not where you're gonna get ready and activate and do something that's gonna make you sweaty, you know? Like, you shower because you're dirty, and that's how I see it. But who am I, right? Anywho, but yeah, so right now I'm just trying to do my, see how they are? I'm gonna do this side, so I'm gonna do this side and do that side, and then I do cut the top, clean them up. I do use for the top, I do my Too Faced. This is the light beige, but let me do the other eye and then I'll show you when I go to the top. Okay, so I'm back, and I just had to put my clothes in the laundry, the dryer, because I just noticed it's gonna be 2. And anyway, so I'm going to do my eyebrows. You guys could see clearly. Hopefully I'm not blocking you guys. I've been trying to do YouTube videos as much as I want to put stuff. I'm kind of hesitant because makeup is not makeup anymore. Like, unfortunately, we have so much stuff going on in the beauty, I guess, community where it's not the same anymore. I don't know what it just sucks. But I'm just doing my video. If you guys like it, cool. You know the drill. Either give a thumbs up or subscribe so you don't miss a YouTube video when I do post it up. So I'm currently just going as fast as I can, but talking to you guys, because what's the point of me doing my makeup and I'm not talking to you guys? And then I'm going to be using really fast because I got no time. This one, which is the Mario, I have used it, so it's not like I've never used it. I'm more of a this color, this color, this color, and all the numbers are there, but God only knows. Anyways, but I'll be taking that. What color am I gonna do? I just want to do a basic. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this one and a little bit of this one. These are like the lightest. So I'm gonna take let me get my trusty so anywho, so I'm just gonna do my makeup and then start talking to you guys, and I always lose sight of track. Like I'll be talking, I don't know how people could do that. Maybe people like to hear themselves talk. Yeah, maybe. I think that's probably one of many reasons, right? I could talk, but sometimes when the camera's on, I get like, I forget. So it sucks. I'm just gonna put a little like medium dark on the eyelid. Do both sides. I suck at this eye. I can never, like, by the life of me, get this eye. Like I noticed, I don't know if you guys noticed, you girls or guys noticed that some changes happen to your face. I'm getting to that I'm getting to the age where it's all down here from here. And I mean it in the most honest and it's life kind of way, that your skin is an elastic and it'll eventually go down. Unfortunate. So I've noticed that my skin, like my eyelids, are very droopy, and it'll be me. My mom has the smallest, teeny tiny, beady little eyes. Like they're so little, like the eyeball, like just this. And then to top it off, she has her eyelids are very like going down, overlapping. I feel so bad because she's like, oh, I wish I could get like a facelift, and I'm like, you could, it's just you're scared of needles. So she's very, very scared of needles. Like she just can't with needles. So I mean, I got places I could, show you, and